The truth is, 90% of photographers will never turn their daydream into a reality. And I know you're here because you're not satisfied with where you are. You can chip away, wondering if there's more you should be doing, or you can have the keys to the castle and the business you've always wanted. Everyone can achieve their own version of success as long as they have the right tools and the right mindset. I have put in the 10,000 hours and I've learned from the mentors who are far more successful and further in life than I am, and I quickly uncovered the winning shortcuts and formulas on building a successful business. Shortcuts and formulas that anyone can apply to any business. I've taken the key lessons from everything that I've learned along the way and distilled it into an online program called the 6-Figure Business Map, and the response has been amazing. Thousands of photographers have now implemented my strategies to create a wedding photography business that's not only profitable, but one that fits their goals and aspirations. Split out in 9 easy to follow modules that will help you bypass the mistakes and accelerate your pathway to success. You also get access to 12 months of group coaching calls with me. This is where I answer all your questions. You get a separate coaching portal dedicated to expert masterminds, group coaching calls, and all the replays, which is over 200 plus videos. You get a hardcover business map journal delivered to your door, access to the Business Map podcast, exclusive membership to a dedicated community platform on Facebook and Circle at all stages of their business and from all corners of the globe. You'll always have the community behind you, cheering you on through the highs and through the lows. If you don't get results from implementing our strategies within 30 days of your enrollment in the course, hey, we'll give you a refund, no questions asked. Now, I truly believe you can chase your dreams and you can build a business that you are proud of. Exactly the way that you want it to be, unapologetically yours. A business that has you jumping out of bed every single morning, grateful to be living the life that you've always dreamt of. A business that loves you back.